Hello friends, I'm going to give you a very simple recipe of chicken baking in the oven with butter with spices. Let's do it. Let's give this breast big cuts like that. Let's make the seasoning for the chicken. Crushed red pepper, mixed spices, turmeric, salt, black pepper, cumin seed. Let's mix them very well. Now let's add ginger garlic paste. Add some lemon juice, add some butter. Now let's mix again. Smells very nice. Time to put spices on chicken. Put in the curds like this. It smells very good, friends. Let's marinate for 30 minutes. Put the butter on your oven tray like that. Put the butter on top like this. Chicken is ready. Let's eat, my friends. It's very juicy. Please follow me and share. Hello friends, I'm going to make beans today. It's very quick and very simple recipe but very delicious. Let's make it now. I'm going to make my beans on electric cooker. Let's add butter. You can use cooking oil if you want. One big size of onion. First we will fry the onions very good. Onions are a bit brown. Let's put tomatoes. Tomatoes and onions get cooked very good. Let's put spices now. Salt, garlic powder, crushed red pepper, mixed spices, cayenne pepper, cumin seeds, and some black pepper, and turmeric. Time to add beans. Cook beans with spices for a while. 1 glass of water. Let's cover the cooker now. Now let's wait for 30 minutes. Add some coriander. Beans are ready. Hey friends, I'm going to make a bread pizza sandwich. It's a very simple recipe. Let's make it. Let's put mayonnaise on the bread. Let's spread the mayonnaise on bread. Time to put some onion. After the onions, let's put the cheese. Time to add green pepper, capsicum. Now let's add the tomatoes on top. Top of the tomatoes, put some oregano. Salt to taste. Crushed red pepper. Put some olives on top. Some black pepper if you want. Now on the other bread I'm going to put butter and the pizza sauce on top, or the tomato sauce you can use. Butter, some pizza sauce. Now it's time to grill. Hey friends, our bread pizza sandwich is ready. It's very delicious. Try.